will see today different methods of biofilm eradication and how effective these methods are for biofilm eradication and where these methods are applied. So there are many methods. First we will see what are biofilm. These are basically aggregates of microorganisms where different cells of different organisms come together and they aggregate on each other. They secrete few exopolysaccharides which help them in binding together. So they basically colonize the body surfaces or inanimate objects. The body surface, one example of colonizing the body surface is the colon, and inanimate objects, any inanimate objects can be colonized by microorganisms forming biofilm. So for example, in pond water, if you keep any object, for example any plastic rod or metal rod, after few days there will be a formation of a slimy layer on that rod, and that slimy layer indicates the biofilm formation. So the prevalent biofilm formers we know are Staphylococcus aureus, S. epidermidis, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and these biofilm formers are difficult to eliminate from any surfaces. So the Pseudomonas aeruginosa is primarily and most prevalently found on the medical devices and medical settings, and it poses a very significant problem and it needs a very effective method of eradication. So hence the first method we know is electrochemical method to eradicate the biofilm. Here we use electrical current, and this electrical current is directly provided to the biofilms via electrochemical method. So this kills the bacterial pathogens and independent of their growth phase, which means in whatever phase these bacteria are, they will be killed. And the studies are being conducted to use of electrochemical method on infection sites. So on the infected wound, the electrochemical method can directly be used to eradicate the biofilms. Other two compounds are come under antimicrobial compounds are metal silver and TBBQ. Metal silver is the longest known antimicrobial agent from the ancient time. So the Ag plus radical denatures the key enzyme, and hence this research has been to try to develop some medical devices which will contain Ag, or at least they will be coated with Ag formulations, and they are effective in killing biofilms after 24 hours of treatment. TBBQ, tert butyl benzoquinone, is another compound which is an oxidation product of tert butyl hydroquinone. It enters through the membranes and denatures the cell, and it has been found to eradicate staphylococcal biofilm.